Hello, it's Saturday the 1st of December. In this video I'm looking at the latest Lotto result and I'm going to make some predictions for tonight's draw. So this is the latest result. Machine news was going to be a set of balls free, and this is my analysis. So these were all the numbers that were outstanding. So we got these ones were most frequent, these ones were most overdue, these ones most overdue for the frequency. And this is all the coincidences between the numbers that stood out and the numbers that were actually drawn. So only two coincidences, and that is that 39 was most overdue for its frequency to occur with 48, and 36 was most overdue for its frequency to occur with 48 and sets of balls 1 to 4. So this is what it looks like on a chart. So you can see, looking at numbers paired with 48, since the numbers went up to 59, all machines, sets of balls 1 to 4, the ones that are currently in use. This is the recent draw history, so you can see they're using sets 1 to 4, machines Guinevere and Lancelot. And this is the chart, and so you can see number 36 is most overdue for its frequency on that. And if we look at all sets of balls as well, then looking at numbers paired with 48 again, the number that is most overdue for its frequency is 39. So those two numbers were outstanding with 48, and none of the other numbers that were drawn were most outstanding in any way. So that concludes my analysis of the most recent draw. And now that those numbers have come out, this is the chart for all machines and sets of balls since the numbers went up to 59 in draw 2066. So you can see that 54 is the most frequent number, 57 is the most overdue, and 29 is most overdue for its frequency. So those are the three numbers that are now most outstanding. And if we look on the analyzer, then basically that's the summary, the analysis of the chart that I've just been looking at. And if we just look at the two machines that are in use, which is Guinevere and Lancelot, then we get these numbers. But it doesn't say which one's most overdue on that, so I'll have a look at the chart for that and see. That's why 57 and 21 are both equally most overdue on that chart. So out of those two I'll probably go for 21 because it's slightly more frequent. On the chart for sets of balls 1 to 4 on all machines, 29 is most overdue and most overdue for its frequency. So I will just show you that chart. So there's 29. most overdue, and most overdue fixed frequency. And on that, 42 is most frequent. So that's when we're looking at sets of balls 1 to 4. And then if we look at just the two machines that are in use at the moment as well, and then we've got 21 and 57 at the top again, most overdue, except 57's more frequent this time, so that's probably the best one to choose out of those two numbers. 29 most overdue for its frequency, and 46 is most frequent. So some good numbers to pick then would be 29 and 57, 18, and some of the more frequent numbers, so 46, and what else we got, 42, and 54. So these are the numbers that stand out with these other numbers that stand out. So best one to have with 29 is probably 18. Best one to have with 18 is 29. Let's see what comes up with 58. Oh, 42 and 58 most frequent. So that's probably a good two number up pick to have. 29 and 18, that's a good one. 46 is one of the most frequent going on the current trend. So basically there's all these numbers to choose from. Basically they're the ones that are most outstanding at the moment. So I hope that helps you to pick your numbers for tonight's draw. That concludes this video, and good luck and bye for now.